This is a speed test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus its predecessor, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 16.0.1. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has the A15 Bionic chip, also with 6 gigs of RAM, and this particular phone has been updated to iOS 16.0. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up and go. iPhone 14 Pro Max versus iPhone 13 Pro Max speed test comparison. Let's see which one has the faster boot up. That was very close. Both relatively quick, give the edge to the iPhone 14 Pro Max by just a little bit. And we are in. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on both iPhones, and as you can see, there is nothing in the background. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Same thing. The camera. And let's go. Very close. Let me know in the comments. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close. App Store. Very close. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. We'll leave it there. Amazon. Identical. Go ahead and click on this. A little bit faster on the left, not that big of a difference. eBay. Identical again. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know of any differences. We'll click on that and leave it there. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Tiny bit faster on the 14 Pro Max. Ooh! But I think the 13 was faster on that. Subway Surf. Identical. Literally identical. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Let's see what happens here. Oh man, it might be a tie. Okay, 14 is ahead. Will the 13 catch up? I'm gonna give the win to the 14 Pro Max, but not by much. MC5. Oh. Which one's gonna extract files faster here? Oh! I don't know, man. You guys are the judges. We do have PUBG. Both are loading the game right now. Loading. Oh! Just a little bit faster on the 14 Pro Max, but really not a big difference at all, really. IG. Identical maybe the 14 Pro Max by a split second. Snapchat. A little bit faster on the 14. We do have Safari on both phones. We'll do a quick browsing test. Click on Google. Get rid of this. Click on a trending search here. Click on this one. I'm gonna get rid of that. We'll do a image search. All right, let's go ahead and click on this. Click on this. We'll click on this. Both nice and fast. I'm gonna do some scrolling here. What is going on with the 14 Pro Max? I don't know if it's just my particular phone, but the touch here is, I don't know, kind of off. We'll click the see more, and we'll swipe. It's gonna load. Which one's gonna do it faster? A little bit faster on the left, but really not a big difference. Let's see how fast this takes or how long it takes. Now this might be dependent on Wi-Fi, so take it for what it is. Taking a while, we'll just go ahead and click on this. Click on that, click on that. We'll scroll. Clicked on that by accident. Anyway, you get the idea. Both phones are about the same when it comes to the web browsing. Maybe a little bit faster on the 14 Pro Max, but really real life usage, not a big difference. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background so you can see. Now, honestly, I anticipate no lags for this part of the test. So, you know, iPhones, generally speaking, they optimize well. So, but we'll see. We'll have a look right now. Reconnecting to the game here. No issues. You can continue. Nice. Angry Birds. Same place. Subway Surf. Resume. No issues. Mario Time, good to go. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. The App Store. Same place. Calculator. No lags. Clock. Still running in the background. I've never seen this reload ever. Camera. And let's go. Identical. Messages. Identical. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.